So I got it all in pieces now. She was dirty. They're the tools that I use to take it all apart. The only thing that I've found wrong with it so far is the primer bulb, fuel primer bulb. When I seen this, I was like, geez, that's super small for a crankshaft housing or an engine block. Smallest engine block I've ever seen. And then this is the head. It is 2-stroke, so it shouldn't be that big, but it looks good. Hell, the spark plug wasn't even fouled. So I'm just gonna clean her up, get a new primer bulb, probably get a new chain for it, put it all back together and see if it works. Hopefully the next one I record will be it starting up.